Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a most requesting recipe. Many of my Insta followers have asked me to make this. So today I am making. So let's start with the ingredients. Here I have taken crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons, garam masala or spices which I have made a powder of it, 2 tablespoons, coriander powder, 2 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Chopped coriander leaves. I have washed them and chopped well. 2 tablespoons chili powder, red chili powder, and garlic hot sauce which is chili and garlic mix. Salt. Here is a perfecto pasta. I have taken 2 boxes. If you want, you can add 1 according to your choice. Cut and wash well the chicken into small pieces. Tomatoes, I had taken 3 and chopped like this. The carrots too. Ingredients are over. Now I have boiled water. Take big vessel. Half of it should be filled with water. Once it is boiled fully, the water, then you have to add the pasta or macaroni. According to how much quantity you want to increase or decrease. If you want 2 packets, you can add 2 or 1. Ingredients, if you feel that quantity is more, you can decrease it. Salt, 2 tablespoons will add. 2 or 2.5 tablespoons. If you are adding 1 packet, add 1 tablespoon. Otherwise, I had taken 2. One tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix well. As I had to serve many people outside, that's why I had increased the quantity. I had taken 2 packs. But just to show you, this vlog is made. Chopped carrots. If you are not much vegetarian types or don't like much vegetables, then just cut a few carrots. I had added cumin seeds at the beginning and then chopped onion which was 1 big size. After the color changes, then I had added green onions, spring onions, green. 1 bunch that was. Now that the color had changed of the onions, I had added ginger garlic paste, mix well. 2 tablespoons I had added and the capsicum. Chopped green chilies. I had taken 4 to 5. If it is spicy one, then reduce it and mix well. Also I am adding some afia olive oil. 4 to 5 tablespoons. Mix well. Apart from that, I had put chicken for frying it, shallow fry, by adding the turmeric and all. So it is done, so I had kept aside. Here I had made a puree of tomato, so I had added that too. Combine properly everything and let it get cooked. Together I am adding turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. Everything we are mixing right now. After 5 minutes, I had added all the ingredients including black pepper. After 5 to 6 minutes, we will add the chicken. After 5 to 10 minutes so that the gravy can be cooked well. If it's done, so I am adding coriander leaves which I had chopped together. You can increase or decrease. Mix well. Then finally I am adding garam masala. Same way, if you make, the pasta will come out very tasty. Including that, I am adding some water so that it don't stick below. Strain the excess water as I have kept it aside. Now I am adding it because the first basic step was done. Now it's time to add all of them together. Mix them all and cover and let it get cooked. Keep checking in intervals and mixing them together. Now you can see that everything has been mixed well. Then at the starting, after covering, I have taken out. Here I am adding soya sauce. I had not shown in the ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of hot garlic chili paste. If you don't have, it's okay. Mix them all well, and after 5 minutes we will take out in a serving dish or bowl. So here I am serving it. The taste is going to be really delicious. You try it and then you tell me in your feedbacks, and also share your pics in Instagram. I'll share on my stories too. Garnish with green onions, chopped green onions for that crispy flavor, and also green coriander leaves from the top. That's it, our recipe is ready. If you like it, then please share with your friends and family and try out. For more videos or recipes, please contact me. I'll be happy to know if you need any of them.